In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a resistance band seated row without having to anchor this onto anything like a fixed resistance object. So you could do this whilst it's anchored around your feet using your body. So fantastic option for those that want to have a back exercise, a row exercise that they don't have to anchor the band around. Now, I'm going to have two types of people watching this video. People that can keep the hamstrings completely straight and come into a nice upright position, and those that are not able to because of hamstring inflexibility that might want to come into this position where they've got a slight bend in the knee. Doesn't really affect the exercise too much. It's just worth noting we want the chest nice and high, and if you can't keep and hold that position whilst you're straight legs, try to do this bent legs. So what I want you to do first is you're going to bring the resistance band around the forefoot. Don't bring the resistance band too high around the foot, otherwise it's going to flip and ping you in the face. And notice here how I've made an X. So I've made that X by crossing over the resistance band. I've got now enough band where I can then come into my seated row. You'll notice here I can't keep a full arm extension, right? So I can't come full arm without taking the tension off the band. If that's you, bring your hands nice and close so you can get enough resistance where you start off straight with the elbows, nice and upright. You're going to come back and squeeze your shoulders. You're keeping your elbows into your body. Notice here how I'm doing a little rotation with the wrists. So palms down, palms facing each other, palms down, palms facing each other. So to be able to do and successfully complete the full range, you want to make sure your hands are in a position where you've got a full arm extension, then come up to a nice upright position, palms down, palms facing each other, and you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades as hard as you can for your desired amount of repetitions. That's how to do a seated resistance band row without anchoring this onto anything in terms of equipment.